Hi all, my name is Tarun Verma and welcome to Analytics School. Today we are going to talk about sorting data in SQL. Data in SQL can be sorted using the order by clause. The order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. Most databases sort the result set in ascending order by default. Now, order by clause does not change the data as it is stored in the table. Data in table remains unchanged, only the result set is sorted. Order by clause can only be used with select, on contrary to where, which can be used with update and delete clauses as well. Before we head to demo, here are some examples of order by clause.
Now let's explore a real-world dataset called orders. Next, let's say we want to get the list of order IDs in the order they were placed. So we want order IDs and we want in the order they were placed. But here we can see there are duplicates in our result set. So let's try to get the list of unique order IDs. We can do so using distinct keyword. And now we don't have duplicates in our result set. Next, let's say we want to get the list of order IDs with the latest order first. We can do so using the descent keyword. And here we can see that the latest order was placed on 30th December 2021. Now let's add profit to the mix. We can do so by adding the column profit in our select clause as well as order by clause. So order by our result set by profit. And we want the highest profit first, so we'll use the descent keyword. And here we can see that the data is ordered by first order date and then profit. Let's say we want to do the reverse. We want to order the data first by profit and then order date. We can do so by changing the order. So all we need to do is put profit first and then put order date. Now the data is first ordered by profit and then order date. Now let's try to do the same, but instead of using the column names, use column by reference. Now how does this work is the columns in the select clause get 1, 2 and 3. So order ID is 1, order date is 2, or profit is 3 and so on. So we want to order by profit first, so that will get a reference 3 and order date next, which will get a reference 2. And we'll see our result set will remain the same. With this, we conclude our session. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care and have a good day. Thank you.